Ice Cube Melto was an ice cube. One day he decided to go on an adventure. Ice cubes are solids, and solids have molecules which are really close to each other, and so they can't move far away, and they can only move in their own position. As you can see here, this is the molecules inside solids. He was just walking around town, and then he passed the shop. It kind of looked like a shop, but it wasn't really a shop. He read the sign that said sauna, and he just entered. Ice Cube Melto decided to go into the sauna, and then he noticed parts of his bodies were falling off, like his legs, arms, and eyes. The reason they were falling off was because the room was so hot because there was energy inside. And that is the reason his arms, legs, and eyes were falling off. And this is a form of melting. The melting point for ice is 60 degrees. Ice Cube Melto's whole body became droplets. Oh no, he decided to go back home and think of an idea to come back to a normal ice cube. And the difference about the liquids molecules and the solids molecules is that in the liquids, the molecules are a little far apart than in solids. And this is an example of a liquid, and these are the molecules inside. Ice Cube Melto didn't see where he was walking when he entered the house, and he fell into the hot boiling pot. And he became this steam because the water was so hot. And in gas, all the molecules are really far apart, as you can see here. And this is a form of boiling. And the boiling point of liquid to gas is 100 degrees Celsius. The steam kept on rising and rising until it touched the ceiling, which was a cooler surface, and then it became droplets. And then all the droplets became a puddle, and this is a form of evaporation. Ice Cube Melto wanted to come back to an ice cube, so then he put himself into the freezer and waited and waited and waited. And then he came out, and then he was an ice cube. Hooray! And then this is a form of freezing. The freezing point from liquid to ice is 0 degrees Celsius.